What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about one of my favorite SPY trading strategies. But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. First off, the strategy I'm going to teach you all about is for after we have big data drops pre-market, so PPI, whatever it may be. And that's the case today. And I want to talk about what I look for my entries, some things I like to see. First off, for this strategy to work, we need to push up off data. You can see that's what happened here. Data dropped at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Pushed up, nice push up. Then I like either to hold that level or climb back up slowly right before market open, be, kind of close, but not right at it. That's ideal, okay? Then what I do next, I go above it, I identify supply, find my support and resistance above it as well. As you can see here, this 400 to 399.5 area. It's been a solid area on SPY. If I zoom out, you can see we've been struggling to break it. Now, the strategy I use when we have these big data moves, a lot of times off the open, we'll kind of pull back, then we'll push back up to that nice resistance or top of that candle off that data move. And that's where I like to enter off puts. And what I've noticed that typically we move all the way down back to that prior day close, which happened to be at this 397.77 area. That's exactly what happened here. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't bounce a little here because that's what typically happens. This is not a guarantee strategy, and it does require proper risk management, just like anything else. So I made money off this trade. I didn't make as much as I should. For some reason, my mind wasn't in the game today, which happens. That's okay. That's part of it. I'm going to regroup, come back stronger tomorrow. I did end with a decent day, so I'm happy with that. So if we took this trade here, my stop loss would be from the top of this candle. Just let me mark that so you can see that a little better. From top of that candle, probably I would stop out around that 60-cent mark. So 400.6, that would have been my stop loss. I tend to only average down once on my trades. So if I did buy in here and it pushed on up to here, I added a little more. That's something I do regularly. Just keep in mind, if you do average down, it does add to your risk. So you got to calculate that in. But, super simple trade here. I do want to say this before I go. A lot of people are like, what do you do when the market changes? You have to, how do you know when you need to change your strategies? For me, in my opinion, one of the top qualities we can have as a trader is being able to adapt. Okay? I feel like most successful traders can adapt. If you've traded with me in Team Boy, if you've known me for a while, you know that sometimes it seems like I can't miss while trading. Then I'll have, 2 days where I just kind of like blah because the markets change. I'm trying to adapt. I can't find my rhythm. But once I find it, we get, going again. So this is something to keep in mind. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. Check my link for the funded trading accounts I use to trade futures. My trading plan is also still available there for those that still want that. I'm closing out towards the end of this week. But that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching. I'll catch you next time.